I am in the mountains. I just wanted to chat, hang out for a little bit, maybe stay on here for like a half an hour or something. We'll see. So I needed to get away from the city. You know me, if you know my videos, I'm not a city girl. I feel like the energy gets too much for me at times. But anyway, I've escaped the city to come to the mountains because the weather's dropping, which is good for me to test out the van. Like, I've been doing this a lot in the summer as well as I have in the winter, and I hope that you can hear me because this phone sometimes blacks out audio. But anyway, I landed up going to a good place to test out weather because it's a lot more colder here. So I'm just somewhere in Wales, obviously, and it was supposed to drop to -2 yesterday. So I was like, brilliant, I can come test out my setup here because I've just got a new solar panel that's been installed. The videos are coming this week, which is great. And then I also have connected to through the MPPT, which is Victron. I can't talk today. Is connected to my leisure battery, and so far so good. It's been once every 2 hours in the evening when the sun goes down. I have to put on the diesel heater for only about 15 to 20 minutes, usually in between that. What I personally do is I set a timer on 30 minutes on my phone, so how long I need to heat up the van in order for me to continue to use it. And I've been monitoring my diesel as well. So the Isle of Wight, I landed up filling a little bit of the diesel, like Simon gave me a little bit, which is great. And that was, I think, about, must have been like £3 worth of diesel, something like that. And then I've put £3.50 diesel in it, which is taking it like halfway. So I think to fill up the tank would be like £12, something like that, I'm assuming. But I haven't filled up my diesel tank, which is separate to my fuel tank, because I was driving around with it. It's newly fitted. I wanted to see if it leaks, you know, all those good stuff. It's just testing. So now I finished testing it. My diesel consumption is really good. I would need to carry backup diesel for sure, just if I was wanting to stay a longer period somewhere else. And then the only thing I haven't done is connected my main battery where I'm driving to my leisure battery. At the moment it's just all solar paneled, solar energy. And to be honest with you, it's been great because I've only dropped to about 60, maybe 68%, 65%, and then it just gets recharged up. So at the moment, because I'm working 4 days in the city, I'm not using, obviously, diesel, and consumption is not being used a lot. Hello, can you hear me? I've not used a lot of diesel because I've been stationary somewhere, and in the daytime I could just get all the energy come through and recharge my battery. So yeah, it's great to test it out. And it's, what's really crazy is that it's cloudy and my solar panel is still drawing in 30 watts of solar, which is super impressive, like so impressive. So this is why it's just so, it's like, for me at the moment I'm just having like revelations of like how sustainable van life actually is. Like, you don't know until you know. And you know, before you go, oh, it's a different lifestyle change, it's this, it's that, it's so much more than just living in a van. you get to learn skills on so many different playing fields. Like, I would never have learned these skills if I wasn't in the van. And what's interesting to me, my battery's gonna die. What's interesting to me is how much, how little consumption I actually use, you know, which is so cool. So at the moment, my battery is going between 90 to, well, 100% to 65%, which is okay. I do like to monitor it all the time. Hello, live on the van. I'm actually, oh, 1 second. Phone.